Hey y'all, Pieces of Nika is back, and in today's video I am actually going to be trying magnetic lashes. Give you a close-up of what they look like. I've always wanted to try these lashes to see if they actually work, so let's see, shall we? This is a close-up of what they look like, and you can see these 5 little dots are actually the magnet, and then this is the liner that's supposed to adhere to the magnet. So I've already lightly lined my eye with my regular eyeliner, which is the NYX Epic Ink liner. Let's look at this one. And for you women who love to apply your lashes with tweezers, I wouldn't advise that with these because the tweezers are going to stick to the magnet. So we're going to be using our fingers. I'm nervous, y'all. I hope this works. We're going to see. And I'm looking in a mirror right in front of me, so I'll be looking down in this mirror. But I'm going to try to angle it so that you can see what I'm doing. Move it down some so I can see. All right, let's get started. So I have this, and it says you're supposed to let this dry and then apply the lashes. So let's see. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Hold on. I'm trying to let it focus on me. My eyelashes is getting in the way. I left that one coat dry, so I'm gonna go one more time over this. Let me pull my eye so I can kind of see what I'm doing, because my eyelashes is getting in the way. And see, I started it right here where you would normally stick your eyelashes at. And it's just gonna let that dry. While that's dry, let's go ahead and do the other side. Let that dry. I'm gonna go in with another coat. So let's just pull them off. They were stuck to that magnet. This is the right eye. This is the moment of truth. Okay, so this is the longer part. This is the shorter part. Just gonna grab it, because like I said, you don't want to use tweezers for this because the tweezers are gonna stick to the magnet. Here we go. Let's see if this works. Can y'all see? Hold on. Okay. It's on there. I'm trying to make sure it's on there good. It worked. I have to put mascara on my actual lashes, but it worked. And they're on there. Let's try the next one. Grab it on the end. Oh. Y'all, it's sticking. It really worked. I'm being honest. I did not think this was gonna work, but as y'all can see, it's on there. What? Oh wow. And there you guys have it. It absolutely worked. So y'all go try this Kiss magnetic eyelashes. I myself can't believe it worked, but it did. So if y'all ever in Walgreens, pick this up. It does work. Come back in about a week. I will leave in the description bar what I think about these, or I may make a new video letting you know how I like it, how long they held up. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. That's it, and that's all, folks. Bye.